Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this daily analysis video. So, in this video, we're gonna go to discuss the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis for today. So, starting from the daily time frame on the gold, you're gonna go to see now two trend lines and one button. So, if you look to this trend line, that is the big rising wedge, which did not pull back so far. However, you can see here at the end that there is also a small rising wedge, and both of them, this one and this one, they are indication for reversal. However, I just want to emphasize on something here. Normally, if you look to this chart here, you will find that this is a normal movement here. So you have swing, you have pullback, then after that, swing and pullback, swing, pullback, swing, pullback. So if you look to this area, all those areas are resistance area. If you look here, if you look here, if you look here, if you look here in this area, all those areas were resistance areas, and there was seller sitting on those areas, and you can see clearly there is a red candles, and that is representing the sellers. And whenever the sellers are trying to come in and push the price down, there is somebody sitting at the bottom here waiting the price to come down and shooting it up. So we have discussed about this movement, and we said this is abnormal movement. So two things here. If this is abnormal movement and there are sellers sitting on the top and trying to push the price down, however, there is somebody is countering that and pushing the price up, the most appropriate thing to happen that this movement has to correct. This movement has to correct. That is the normal way. So when we see abnormal thing here happening, that means there is intervention from the big institutions and big banks. However, still we are seeing this movement is abnormal movement, and we got to wait until we have a reversal button. But a reversal button may fail as well, because whenever you have a reversal button, you got to make sure that is formed in bigger time frame, not 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes or half an hour or whatever. We need to see reversal button on daily chart or 4-hour chart. Now we have that here. This is the daily one. This is the daily one. This is swing. Let's say this is swing. This is swing. And I believe this is now reversal button. And this is could be going to this trend line. So now I want you to see the bigger picture of this movement. So swing, we consider this as a swing, and now we have a reversal button here, which is raising wedge. Let me share with you. So this is what we are talking about, guys. This is the raising wedge. So we got to have three resistance, three supports, then a pullback up, then it has to break down. So what we need to focus on, guys, we need to focus on selling the gold from the top. Because what is happening here, guys, is not normal. And those people, the banks and the institution, what they are trying to do, they are trying to liquidate the seller with the price. So whenever they are selling, they are pushing the price up to liquidate the sellers. So if we maintain minimum stop loss and we keep selling the gold, I believe we get to have a successful trade and very big trade. I'm still waiting the signal which will trigger at its time. So there will be one of the signal which will be open for the take profit and we will not stop that take profit. So that is the approach I'm thinking about. Now if I drill down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the bigger picture of the reversal button. And you can see how those institutions, whenever the price is pushing down, these people, they are sitting here and pushing it up. However, there will be time where these people, they will be exhausted and finished out. So technically, I will sell the highs and buy the lows. Yesterday, we have missed these, no issues with that. However, we did not miss this one. So again, today, if the price reaches 1945, we're gonna go to sell from that area, and I believe that will be the last sell. Otherwise, if the price going to continue up, we will be having minimum stop loss. Our stop loss should be around $2 to $3 maximum on the lower time frame. So if we want to use this area, no issues with that. But however, we will drill down to the 5-minute chart and we will see where are the resistance here, and upon them we will put our stop loss here. So this is what we are planning to do technically. So if this button succeed, and I believe maybe this week or next week we get to see breakout for this trend line, and the moment we break this trend line, the price will fall down. So this is from technical point of view.